Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, on the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 you got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's what I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Feel low, you can still go. Go when you feel slow, you can still go. Go when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.
Hello everyone. How are you guys doing? Good? All good?
Yeah, hi Praveen.
Great.
Perfect.
Hi, hi
Okay.
Praveen.
Okay. Yes. Great. Great. 1 second. So I think I
Yeah,
need
hello
to.
Praveen.
Yes. Great. Thanks for joining. Just give me 1 minute. Uh, somewhere I see. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now it's okay. Okay, great. So, yes, how many people are there? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. Only 20 out of 190 people, right? That's okay. That's okay. We will do it really quick, and it will be really good session. Okay. So I hope you all are doing good. You can come live if anyone wants to come live. And by the way, those who are sharing their resume, I think 20 people are there, right? We will do coolly. I think for the batch one, I think 50 people have joined, and at that time, so many people were there. They are like, hello, hi. At that time only, it got, I mean, so much time there, right? So as of now, we are 10. Anyone wants to come live? Yes, Vishal, thanks for joining. Shailesh is telling yes. Shailesh and Vishal, thank you again. So guys, those who are watching live, keep your resume ready, right? And in a very short time, we'll start the session. So anyone wants to come live, anything you want to discuss, you can feel free to come live. And it's a recorded session, guys, because people will also see you live. So no one wants to come live? Yes, no? If no, then that's fine. We will directly go. Yes, I think Muni is coming in. Hi Muni. Yes,
Hi Praveen.
Great. I know
Hi.
Muni personally. In the sense, when I say personally, he has already connected with me on LinkedIn, and he had one-to-one session also. So Muni, how is the things going on? I see like 1 month back we have connected, right?
Yes, Praveen. We have connected. The things are very good, and also, I am recommended so many people regarding of this boot camp and all.
Sure.
So that's why the response is too good from
Thank you,
them
Moni.
also.
Thanks a lot. Great. So thanks for coming live. Anyone wants to come live, or we are good to go? Just tell we are good to go. Then we'll start. You can also unmute. It's like a friendly session. It's not like you have to come live and talk. Yes, Avinash has come. Hi, Avinash. Okay, I'm not able to hear you, Avinash. No, I'm not able to hear you. You are. I think just remove the headset.
Sorry. Yeah, I was talking in mute. Sorry. My bad.
No worries. How are you, Avinash?
Yeah, fine. Perfect. How are you?
No, I'm great. Doing good. Yes. So, where are you from, Avinash?
Yeah, Bangalore only.
Bangalore.
I'm working here in Fair Isaac Corporation right now.
Okay, great.
In Bangalore.
Great.
Yeah.
Good. So, how is the things going on? Like, how is the boot camp you're feeling? Do you need any additional things? Don't tell project you need. Project we will do at the end. Like in Bangalore only, I will
Yes,
be
sir.
coming, and we'll do a project live from there. Right. And anything else you wanted to add? Like any suggestions, any feedback?
Yeah, the bootcamp. Yeah. So recently, I started watching your videos. It's great. Literally, I'm telling you what you are teaching. So I'm currently working as a site reliability engineer.
Okay, great.
So I can relate everything.
Mm-hmm.
What all things you are teaching
Great.
in the Linux or in the cloud, whatever you are teaching, it is related to Kubernetes infrastructure, the architecture that you have explained, literally perfect.
Mm-hmm.
And it is very precise. I can relate as a site reliability engineer. Yeah, I have been using all these things, so I have like 2 years of experience.
Great.
But what you are teaching is great, definitely. Yeah.
Thanks a lot. So yeah, anyone wants to come live? It's finally last time I am asking. If no one wants to come live, we will just, you can unmute yourself and talk also. Yes, if I am asking, people are coming. Anyone who wants to talk, unmute yourself. Don't come live if you are feeling shy. So Tanmesh is there. Yes, Julie has come in. Hey, hi Julie.
Yeah, hi Praveen.
Yes, hi
Hi,
Tanmesh.
Praveen. Yeah.
Great. So even I have met Julie also last time on Insta Live. So great. So guys, those whom are we are connected close now, definitely what I have seen from the last 5 months, right? Those guys are getting good placements. Like people are following the things and they are getting good things. And even this week I'll be releasing 3 testimonials where you will not expect that packages they are getting, right? My students are getting. So definitely I will release maybe by Thursday, Friday and Saturday. I'm planning to release. We will see how it goes. Okay, video only. Okay, so yes, that's great. So Tanmesh, where are you from, brother?
Yeah, I'm from Mumbai.
Mumbai, great. So how are you feeling
Means
about
my
bootcamp?
base location.
You are, yes.
I was saying means currently I'm working from home, hence I'm working from Mumbai.
Great.
But my base location is Bangalore.
Okay, great. We'll meet. We'll meet
About
soon.
the bootcamp.
Yes.
About the bootcamp, it is great. I'm enjoying it.
Great.
It's really
Great.
knowledgeable.
And thanks, Julie, for joining. Yes. Thanks, Tanmesh. Yes. So, Julie,
Yeah.
anything else, or shall
No
we
problem.
start with the live resume?
Yeah, we can start then.
Great.
Bootcamp.
So, who wants to go first? Like, if anyone has something in mind.
Yeah. Yes, Praveen, I have some.
Yeah.
Okay, one by one. So, tell me, like, you can give your names. Who wants to go first? Avinash, I think you were telling, right?
No, I will go
Praveen.
a little later.
Okay.
Praveen, me.
Okay, who is that? Kirti.
Kirti here.
Okay,
Hello.
great.
Yeah.
And before sharing your screen, just mark your number and any personal details blank, right? You understood, right? I
Yeah.
have given that note
Yes,
also.
yes.
Great. Go ahead. Yes. So those who are watching live, guys, please have your yes, you can share. I am talking with the people in live. So guys, you have your notes ready, okay? And if possible, I will share my resume also soon, right? How it has helped me to crack 25 organizations, right? How actually the resume is getting shortlisted, right? We'll come to know all those things. Okay, great. So go up, Kirti. Yes, great.
Yeah.
So professional experience, having 3+ years of experience. So Kirti, how are you doing now? All good?
No, not at Praveen,
Not
but I
yet.
don't.
I
want
asked
to
you,
miss
right? I
this
asked
live
you to
session.
connect with me later,
Yeah.
right? While you
Yeah,
are-
but still, I don't want to waste.
Okay, great.
That's
No,
all.
not an issue.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. We'll quickly see.
Yeah.
Okay, email. You don't
Yeah.
have LinkedIn account?
I do have Praveen.
Great.
I'm following
So guys,
you there as well.
no, not following. About following. So guys, those who are watching live, the first point is keep the LinkedIn account as a URL, okay, below the email or under the email. And how you need to form the URL, I will tell you. Okay, now let's take Kirti, name is Kirti M. Okay, now in the URL, if you see in the LinkedIn URL, you will find something like 010, some alphanumeric numbers will be there in your LinkedIn profile. So first thing today, what you need to do is change that endpoint. Okay, go to the LinkedIn portal and change it to your name only, like Kirti-M or some meaningful name, and remove the number. Now what is happening is, when recruiter first sees your resume, now I will tell you a scenario. Okay, guys, those who are watching live also, what happens, right? Because now it's pandemic, right? So what happens, I'm not telling if anyone is doing this, but I'm telling the real-time scenario where people of the fake resume are coming in more. And you know what, their resume is crafted very well by the people who are actually like working on those things only, right? So in order to sustain that category, right? So let's take ours is genuine resume and fake person is also there. Now he puts a beautiful resume without the LinkedIn or URL also. His resume gets shortlisted and you don't get the opportunity here, right? But in order to make sure you are a genuine candidate, your number will not show you are genuine. Your email will not tell you are genuine. Your organization which you are working in, even though I put Amazon, right? A fake candidate, what he does, even I am the interview panelist, I'm telling you the truth. I have recorded a candidate's interview, right? And I screwed him like anything. I don't like people who does this kind of things, right? So what I am telling is, people are keeping the organizations like names like Amazon, Flipkart, and they are telling they are working for third party, right? So the best opportunity for you all to showcase you are a genuine candidate is through LinkedIn URL. So keep that URL as a URL format, like a hyperlink, right? Not copy pasting, right? The first thing is keep that, and if possible, those who are okay to keep their photos or pictures, right? You can keep those things also. Okay, your picture is a good thing. If you are okay with, go ahead, or else not needed. Okay, now coming on to the professional experience, here Kirti is telling 3+ years of experience in DevOps engineer. Okay, work closely with development QA teams to operate, identify, prioritize, and okay, easy to okay. Created a portable, fully automated test tool allowing, yeah, this is great. Design and implementation of low latency. Okay, guys, if you are seeing Kirti's resume, right? Kirti has written first line, it's good. Second line, it's a generic line. Okay, work closely with development and QA team. No, Kirti, don't go down. I'm telling for everyone, right? Okay. Just make sure you are not keeping the same lines. Like if I want to tell you, we all work with development and QA teams, right? But what you have worked is important, right? So now work closely with that line itself is not needed, right? You are understanding? Instead of that line, you can keep the experience in infrastructure development to the second line, right? Now coming on to the third line, which we will keep is, see, DR. Okay, guys. So being a DevOps engineer, disaster recovery is very important, and you can highlight that. Okay, so now Kirti, what she has done is she has put only one point as third point only, she has bolded. Okay, no, don't do that. If you are bolding in a resume, I mean you are keeping the bold letters in the resume, you need to keep line by line at least one keyword. Like you have put in the, I think 6th or 7th line, back up the EC2 instance volumes by creating a snapshots and saving them in S3 bucket. So here what I am coming to know is, you know how to take a snapshot, you know how to put them into the S3 bucket, but you have not bolded DR recovery, right? So now if you are bolding DR recovery, what you have done in the DR recovery apart from this taking of the snapshots? And people might ask you the question, when they see this disaster recovery, people, I mean the interviewer sense will be strong, because now what is happening, like Avinash was telling, he's a SRE, right? And people of more into SRE are more prone towards this disaster recovery, right? So you need to tell, apart from this line, you need to justify your statement in a beautiful way. I will tell you an example, okay? If I am writing, like I have worked on the disaster recovery for saving this many things, how I will write is, I will write in numbers. Now, when I say numbers, you see Kirti has written, created a portable fully automated test tool allowing 24/7 integration support for 2 development sites. Okay, time from 4 hours to 1 hour. It's really good, right? So now, but what Kirti has not done is, she has not highlighted the important part. Right, so now she's telling like she has developed a beautiful 24/7 integration support for 2 development sites, right? That's really good. Now I am able to understand how much potential the girl has, right? You are understanding. So definitely bold that and showcase the different points from others. Now, if I see design and implementation of low latency, high availability, this is again a point which everyone will keep. If I see other resumes in the net or somewhere, people will definitely see this point, right? So don't keep this point. Now, if we see Tomcat web version, SEM Git, yes, executing, verify and troubleshooting full software system builds, mentoring other team members in design implementation phases to follow the best DevOps practices. Now, great, this is good. So you are showing your leadership skills also, automating the deployment of build application of servers, enabling deployment and operations, implementing monitoring and reporting solutions. Okay, Kirti, don't keep generic points. I am seeing from line number, I think 8th or 9th point, I am seeing all the things are generic, right? Now, if I am in your place, guys, all to everyone, those who are watching live and those who are here with me, never keep generic points. How we will keep our resume a different one, right? We want to keep our resume very different from others, right? So these all points are generic. So implementing development solutions, no. There you can tell like what actually you have done the automations, right? You can highlight like did this automation to help the development teams to manage these solutions. And implementing monitoring means what monitoring you have done, which tool you have used. I'm not able to see any tools here, like Git you have told, Maven you have told, Tomcat, Windows, Linux, VPC, S3, AWS, Jenkins, Jira, Docker. Apart from that, no other tools is there. When you are telling implementing monitoring, you have to be specific. The name of the tools also come, right? All are with me, getting me, right? You can tell yes or no in the chat. I'll be watching the chat also, guys. Okay, so I think we are good. Go down, Kirti. You understood, right, Kirti? What we need to put here? More kind of a tools names, yes, we have to put. Okay, and now when you say Kubernetes, guys, I will tell you in the HR will not go line by line. Now, how I am going through line by line, HR will not go. So they will have 10 seconds only, because if you have seen my resume video, right, where I have told about ATS, right? So let's take your resume is coming like this, and applicant tracking system has all the keywords, whatever you have put in, like Docker, Jenkins, Kubernetes, Ansible, and these 4 names are matching with the ATS JD, right? Applicant tracking system job description. Now let's take your resume has come in, and your resume is here now with the HR. Now HR's responsibility is to actually filter down your resume. Now what she or he will see is all the points whatever you have put in, right? And when you say Kubernetes, right, put at least 1 or 2 points in the top itself, like you have done some pod level work, you have done some automated enhancements on Kubernetes, right? When you say Docker, because these 2 tools are very cream in the market, right? Understanding all of you. So not just tools name, but enhance the points more carefully. Now I will read, keep on top of multiple code branches and release maestros, carefully track interdependencies and work with program manager to help. Yeah, these all are generic points. Okay, come down, Kirti. What else we have in the project section? How much is the time? 4:15. Okay, come down, Kirti. You there? Down. Okay.
Yes.
So
yes,
MTech from KL University, BTech from okay. Now, guys, wait. Education. When you are putting education, or those who are actually searching for the job and those who are watching live with me, guys, whenever HR calls you, they will first ask how much percentage you have in your graduation or whatever there, right? So not just MTech from a university, you have to put like how much percentage you have obtained in that, right? They will, if you have below 60, right? Some organization have the criteria of 65%, right? So HR will not take your resume in, right? And or else they will actually call you and get the confirmation. Okay, now professional experience. So all of you keep the and year of pass out also, keep 2 things in education. One is the percentage and another is the year of pass out. Now professional experience, currently working with April 20. Okay, project Power Curve, Barclays. Okay, AWS Cloud DevOps Engineer, AWS Git, Jenkins, Maven. Okay, now we will see. Okay, now roles and responsibilities, go there. Okay, wait. Now responsible for managing cloud computing tools, AWS, and the code in Git versioning control. Okay, when we tell Git experience and deploying an AWS specifically, okay, CloudWatch, implemented CICD using Jenkins from scratch, experience in setting up continuous integration environment using Jenkins. Okay, these all are good points. Again, I will tell. Okay, come down. Involved in monitoring builds, break fix management. No, Kirti, I see more of a generic points, right? All are with me, like it's not like we are pointing out someone.
Yes,
yeah, so what work you have done we need to add there, Kirti, right? It's for everyone, guys. I would like to tell you, for Julie, for Avinash, for all of us, even for me, if I am going to attend some next interviews, I will add the points. Whatever you have written, Kirti, this is already we have completed in the section 1, right? Now what we have worked actually on the tool, we need to write in the project, right? You are getting me? So let's take, you have told build and release EC2 instances, Amazon Linux, Red Hat and Windows for development and production. Again, a generic one. If I am in your writing this point, I will write like automated build and release of EC2 instances, Amazon Linux, Red Hat and Windows for development and production environment, and make sure the development teams were having the production servers ready, some kind of that. Right now, let's take another point: configuring the Docker containers and creating Docker files for various applications. Okay. Now here, what you need to write is how you have implemented that Docker containers, and like you can write the point like integrated the Docker with the CICD and made sure like the images of the Docker are getting placed into the JFrog Artifactory, right? A line by line, monitoring health of Amazon EC2 instances and another AWS via Nagios. Now, monitoring health of Amazon EC2 instances and other AWS services via Nagios. Okay, you are using Nagios, so you have put that. Now, who is maintaining that Nagios? Whether you guys are maintaining, or it's like a third party, someone is maintaining this Nagios, Kirti?
A third party only.
Okay. So you guys have just integrated the Amazon EC2 with Nagios, and you are okay. Why not you are using CloudWatch?
No, CloudWatch also they are using, but I was not completely aware of CloudWatch, Praveen.
Okay,
so only I have not kept it.
Okay. So guys, make sure if someone is asking, right, they will definitely ask this question like, okay, Amazon, you have put AWS, all the things, but why not CloudWatch, right? And Kirti, one more question here to everyone, guys.
Yes.
Right? It's an interview question, might be. When you are telling, so only Amazon EC2 instance you monitored with Nagios?
We are only using, I have access for only Amazon EC2 instances,
okay, got it.
Praveen.
So,
all our servers are there.
Okay, got it. So guys, keep all the points which you are knowing. Okay, maintained build related scripts, developed in playbooks and shells. Okay. So guys, for your information, Kirti is not feeling well. She has pinged in the Telegram group, right? She was having a health issue, right? But she has still come. I have told her to take rest. I thought I will take her into one-to-one, right? But yeah, that's okay. She is come now, right? You utilize Amazon Glacier for archiving the data, and how much GB you are saving? How much? What actually you are archiving data?
One more thing, Praveen, I was not completely aware of this Amazon Glacier, but few YouTube channels I'm watching on it.
Correct. No problem.
So
I understood.
even I am confused whether I can keep this point or any interview questions they will ask.
No, they will
on
ask.
This point.
Guys, to everyone, right? Now, what everyone is doing now, we are just seeing some small things and we are keeping in our resume. Now, what happens? If I am the interviewer, right, I will dig deep into that particular tool, right? And if I am coming to know that okay, you have told, you have learned something and you have kept, that's completely fine, right? In 100, if you are getting me like 60 to 70 questions percentage, that's okay for the interviewer, and the confidence you are showing to the interviewer, right? How you are tackling the interview. If you are not knowing, also tell openly, okay, I don't know, I can tell you some other tool, like if he asks CloudWatch, right? Now Kirti can introduce, like, I know Nagios, she can take Nagios to the entire different world where she can tell, because I don't know Nagios basically. If I would have known Nagios, I would have kept in the yesterday's monitoring session, right? Anyways, that's okay. Configured and managed security groups and VPC. Okay, use Jira as ticket tracking tool. Okay, so Kirti and everyone, those who have seen the shell scripting scenarios, keep that also as a automation techniques, right? So definitely people will ask, I see somewhere you have put shell, yes, and somewhere you have put playbooks. Now, when you tell playbooks, people will be more curious to know what automation you have done, right? You are understanding? When you are putting Docker,
yes.
What I will tell more on what, how, when, right? Those things will be more, right? So now come down, Kirti.
Yeah.
Okay, 20 minutes. I'll talk 2 more minutes here. Okay, role DevOps engineer.
This is also similar to say
correct.
the above one.
Correct. You understood now what the points you need to change in the resume, right? So
yes.
before you
understood.
upload, guys, to everyone, LinkedIn and Naukri is the best platforms, guys. And even I am starting the podcast series also, where I'm bringing people from Google, LinkedIn. Actually, they are working as a DevOps and SRE engineers, right? So definitely you guys will be amazed to see. Even I was not sure like LinkedIn is the best platform. When I was applying, I didn't got chance to actually apply to the LinkedIn, but their pay structure, their work culture, their SRE DevOps teams are really good, right? Definitely I will tell you, I will recommend you today only, right? Today only or tomorrow only, update all your LinkedIn profile with best content. Sit, guys. I tell to all my viewers, I tell to everyone, those who believe me, take 3 days, take 4 days or 1 week time, sit and think. If you keep this point, how your resume will be shortlisted, right? Okay, Kirti, come down, just quickly. Why I am taking first more time means so that people will come to know more clearly, right? That is why. Okay, come down, Kirti, to the end. Last, nothing?
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
Kirti.
all.
Yes, great.
Yeah,
so
nothing.
I hope you got more insights like what we need to keep, and in every line here you have put the bold things, but what we need, right? This Jenkins CICD is common, right? So we need to, like how I make my sessions different, you need to make your resumes different, right? Getting me? Yes. So
Praveen.
okay, those who are in live, Muni, Tanmesh or Julie, anyone wants to go? Okay, Jashwant has joined in. Who wants to go next for the resume? I think
Yeah,
Rachit.
Praveen.
Rachit?
I want to go.
Yes, Rachit, go ahead. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, go ahead. Yes. So yes. So before screen sharing, make sure your number is not visible, right? And okay, great. This is cool. Yes. Okay. Okay. Cloud-based GitHub. Okay.
So Praveen, yeah.
Yes, I am able to see. Great. So this is one kind of resume, guys, and I wanted to tell you all those who are watching live, the resume templates, right, which you are seeing, right? This is a next level of resume template which Kirti has shown, right? Now, what I would recommend you all is come to a advanced template of resume where people, when they see, right, they get attracted to your resume. Now, our resume is the key factor for us to get a call at least, right? We should get a call from the organization, right? So definitely do that. Now, this is a good resume. Now, if I want to give some marks, like this is a good resume, but as you all know that Kirti is roughly drafted that resume. So I want everyone to come to this resume. Now, if anyone is sharing more enhanced version of that resume, we will talk about that also. Okay. Now, anonymous, yes, July 2000, yes, having around 3 years of experience total, worked in AWS, React 5 months. Okay, don't keep 5 months, 6 months. It looks like we are telling recruiter that, okay, we only know 5 months. Don't ask me this question, right? Now, if I am asking you, right, I am asking you to develop the chatbots, right, which we will be seeing after the bootcamp, right? With the React only, we will be working with Node.js only. We will be working on chatbots, okay? So now in that case, I have worked only on 3 months, right? But I will not tell like I have worked on 3 months, but I will tell him that if he asks, are you good with React.js? I will tell I have done the project on this for 4 to 5 months. Whatever the concepts I have learned, I am good at that, right? Now, worked on deliver.
So like I was confused, like if I have to write or not. So is it good to write or should I include it?
Remove that. If people are asking you are good at React.js, tell them, yes, I am good at React.js. I have worked on one project. You explain the scenario of that project and what you have done, right? Now, to the next point, work to deliver the serverless solutions to client. Great. So here, the second point itself, I think Rachit, right? So second point itself, our friend has told that he has worked on AWS serverless services, and I think that is why he is a little bit aware of the React and Node.js, because the serverless architecture mostly runs with Java applications and the Node applications. So guys, in market, right, this is what people are asking. Okay, and even I also take interviews, as I have told you, right? So HRs are sending me resumes with this kind of JD requirement, right? So definitely learn some Lambda services if you are writing AWS, right? Now gone are those things. I'm not telling here to demotivate. When I was searching for a job, even I was not knowing completely AWS Lambda, but yes, definitely guys, check some YouTube channels, check some content which I have shared you in the WhatsApp group. Those contents have the AWS serverless architecture. I think free courses I have shared you all, right? So definitely check out that. Okay, now one more thing. he has put serverless architecture, so I am very much interested into knowing what he has done now. Okay, now ECS AWS code built, very good. CICD Linux OS, shell scripting, experience in working with Terraform modules, AWS cloud. Okay, this all you have put really good. Now shell scripting, Python you have not kept. Okay, that's okay. Now, so guys, now
because I write the automation script in Node.js only, so
I understood.
I know little bit Python, but it's not better to write, so I removed it.
Great. So guys, those who are watching live, now we are done with part 1. Okay, now I will see the part 2, how Rachit has executed or wrote the projects. Now come to the projects. Okay. Yes, those who are watching live, please make the notes, guys. And I think we have some URLs also where we will see how your resume is performing. I will be telling at the end. I think last session also I have told, but I have not shared the links to them in WhatsApp groups. I will do that. Okay. First project developed. Okay. You have 3 years of experience, right?
Right.
Why you have kept only 2 points?
Actually, yeah, I will tell you the story. Like, for the first year, I was working in some React and JavaScript something, and then later I have shifted into the AWS domain. So it is 1.5 months only I am shifted into the AWS, but now I want to change in DevOps and AWS only.
That is fine.
That is the reason.
Guys,
1.5 experience.
Correct. Those who are actually thinking, Rachit, I will tell you the scenario and reality. Okay. Most of the DevOps engineers, and guys, I do this and that, so don't worry about that. So Rachit and everyone, guys, DevOps engineers are 100% available in the market, right? Now, how you will distinguish from others is you have to keep some development activities. And Rachit, your resume is really good, brother. I would definitely recommend if I am going to take you into my team, right? Now, very few know Node.js because you have already worked. Don't hide that, right? Tell them in DevOps only. Anyways, you are telling that, right? You have done the automation in Node.js only. Don't distribute the things. Now, if I see first project, second project, your resume is really good, but I need to think twice, or the HR will think twice, or HR will ask you this question, okay, Rachit, what is this first project, second project all about, right? So no, don't keep that. We have seen in Kirti's resume, she has put beautifully like organization name, from when to when you have worked, like from this month to this month you have worked, and then what is the project, what is the role in your project, right? And then you discuss a few points about that, right? Now, when you say AWS serverless services, what actually you have done. Now you are telling that in one line, you are telling project to create infra, build, execute, monitor, script. No, but we need to again distribute all the things. Those who are watching live also, please make sure you are with me, right? So all the points you need to keep, which people will come to know you are a well-versed AWS DevOps engineer. Now, Rachit, you are coming under AWS DevOps engineer, right? Now, AWS DevOps engineer, few companies, when I was checking, Barclays was there, which was actually asking for the serverless architecture, but at that time I was not knowing Lambda, right? Now, few other companies, Boeing is there in Bangalore, right? Many organizations are there which are actually asking this kind of resume. You are very good. Please don't hide the things like 1.5 months or 1 month. Proudly tell you have done that, right? You are understanding, Rachit. So second project, change everything, Rachit. Keep 2-page format. And third project also, no, change everything. People will not believe you, basically. In the first page you have kept good. In the achievement section, I will talk about achievement section, guys, right? Second, third project, fourth project, all those things change, and how Kirti has mentioned, take from there, right? So in our live resume session, what we are doing, guys, we are taking few points from everywhere, right? So if I see the third resume, we'll pick up those points also and we'll add here. So Rachit, you got it. Now, guys, Rachit has added achievements and strengths, and in my resume I have added, basically. Now, for the companies like Google, for the companies like Amazon, for the companies like Microsoft, they don't need a SRE or a DevOps engineer. They need leadership skills along with the potential to work as a DevOps and SRE, right? Now, you all know Amazon 14 principles. Anyone know? Yes, no? On the live also, guys, please. You know Amazon leadership principles? Yes, no? Okay.
So I'm in Amazon.
Yes, you are in Amazon, right? Yes, you guys have the leadership principles, right? Yes. So, guys, leadership principle plays an important role for you all to make sure you are getting there into your dream organization. Now, what I have done now, For Amazon, I have kept one resume separately. For Google, I have made one, and for others all, because these two things, and yes, definitely few others are also there, my dream organization. For them, I have made a separate resume. For all others, I have kept a generic resume. Now, why? Because like how we are mentally thinking, like our mental ability is different, right? You have different mental ability, I have different, people on live have different thinking, right? So in the similar way, organization principles and organization thinking differs. So in the strengths, this is good, guys. Add your strengths, add your extracurricular activities. Like suppose I am working in a team, right? How you have led a team, right? Like 3 years of experience, you have taken some fresher and you have guided him, molded him, like how Kirti has added. That is a strength, Kirti. You are telling about leadership principle, right? Now achievements, you have received a recognition from client for delivering solution before the timeline. So guys, when you are adding the achievements, tell them in which project you have received at least, or in which organization. If I am how I have made my resumes, for the achievements column I have made a tabular format, right? Yes, Praveen is watching live. Yes, Praveen not. So guys, for the achievements, right, you guys have to make the tabular column, if that is fine. In my tabular column, what I have put: achievement name, when I have received, from whom I am received, and then date, right? And if I am receiving any cash award or not, right? So that is up to you guys, but this is good. But just as like I am not coming to know which project or which organization you have received. Now strength, learning attitude, team player, yes, highly motivated, this all things are good. Add something good where you have contributed to the team, like HRs. What they do, guys, in Christmas they do some festival, right? Some events. If you are hosting some event in the organization, if you have done some team activity, write that. It shows you are a team player, right? Not just by an example, by writing a one line. Now come down, Rachit. So guys, education always keep down. That's completely fine, because or down in the sense, what I meant to say is, okay, if I'm remembering Kirti's resume, she has put on top, I think, after the what we call the first section, she has put in second section, I think. That's okay. Education we can keep anywhere. Again, Rachit is telling GTI IT. Rachit and everyone, guys, don't keep the what we call what is that here? Abronym, what we call
yeah, actually,
yes, understood, right?
Actually, Praveen, this is the sample resume, so I've created this. If you will see anonymous in this, so that details will not
got it. That's good. That's good. So just an FYI to everyone. Great. That's just an FYI. Don't keep the abbreviations, right? When you are telling your organization name or anything, keep a full form. Okay, Rachit, your resume is really good, brother. Don't hide anything. What I felt is you are just thinking like, if I tell this, if they reject, no. They will take, because developers are very less. AWS developers, if you say, very less, and you, if you keep that, your resume will be more shortlisted. And keep your LinkedIn URL also, like how you have kept cloud-based GitHub FCC. And those who have GitHub projects, definitely keep your projects in GitHub and show them. Whatever you have the skills, the best, show them. Okay.
Actually, Praveen, one thing I want to tell you, like. Some HR have also reviewed my resume and they have said me to like create it in one page. So if I will add all the details, then it will go into the 2 and 3 pages.
Okay, for
so
good point.
From professional resume, there should be one page.
Good point. Yes, great. Now, okay, great. So now, guys, the thing is, see, people will tell 100. If I am telling something, it's not like you have to add that, right? My resume was 3-page resume, right? And you know what, like Amazon manager, right? I think he was having 16-17 years. When he saw my resume, even many companies' resume, right? When they saw me, managers have told me that my resume was good, because it's not like it's 3-page resume, but it's like whatever I felt, I kept it. Even people will tell, "Arey, 1-page resume, what we will show them?" Right? Even you think broadly, right? 1-page resume हम लोग क्या ही बोल देंगे उन लोगों की कि HR देख मेरा 1-page resume ये है, and I cannot tell HR that okay, I'm good at this. If I want to add my 10 achievements, I cannot keep in 1-page resume. I have definitely go. I have the skills, man. I want to show, right? So so it's up to you, Rajat. But my suggestion is, guys, if you are good at explaining your skill set in 1 to 2 page. 2 page is good, guys, but I extended because I wanted to tell them more, right? But yeah, if you ask me now, because at that time I was not that much mature, right? At that time I don't know, like, okay, 2 pages best, 1 page is best. I have went with 3 pages, but yeah, 2 pages good, not bad. You are trying to explain yourself more, and that's okay. But in USA, right, 1 page resume goes well, is what I have heard. Even from USA, people have asked me, right? So yes, it's up to you guys, no issues. Okay, Rachit, thank you. Anyone else wants to go?
Yeah.
Shall I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Praveen,
Yes.
I have one more question I have.
Okay, Rachit, I will take your question and at the end, okay? So we will do with one more resume because it's 4:40, right? And guys, I forgot to tell you, this Teams meeting comes with 1 hour, right? I think with 10 minutes it will get shut down automatically. But do join back. I will also join back, okay? Live will be streamed live. Yes, you got it, right? All of you?
Yeah.
Great. So thanks, Rachit. Yes, Julie, go ahead.
Can you see my screen?
Great, yes. Okay, now work with S-Bank as banking officer where I handle the fraudulent transactions of customers and prevention skills, people management.
So it'll be totally a different domain.
Yes,
so,
I got it. This is good. Thanks for coming in live, and I appreciate your efforts. So guys, for everyone, those who are trying to change their domain, so we will see in our domain change resume, just hatke, right? So now ML data associate, yes, in Amazon for 3+ years of experience, developed Alexa AI device. My role is to provide data creation, curation and analytics services to help develop, test, train Alexa. Okay, we work closely with internal customers like machine learning, science modeling. Okay, providing the critical data. Okay, now I understood with all the things, and okay, when you are telling tools known, right? Monitoring new hires and develop the best practices. Okay, when you are telling tools known, have you used these tools in the ML as a ML engineer or as a Alexa AI device developer?
And what we do is we get the audio files of Alexa, or what the user interacts with the Alexa, and then after that we transcribe and annotate things, as I've told you before, right?
Okay.
So with that we will develop Alexa to give the successful reply.
Okay, now to everyone, right? So we got what Julie is working, but I will just slightly modify this. And those who are watching live, guys, just hit a like on the video button, right? Our like target for this Sunday session is 100 only, right? Okay, thanks for that. Great. So now just a slight enhancement. If I am at Julie's place, what I will do, okay? Now, being an Alexa, having the roles and responsibility of the Alexa, I will make myself as a DevOps engineer now. So whatever tools known, we will start with those tools only, okay? So Julie, don't think like you are working in now Alexa department. Now you are completely a DevOps engineer, okay? Now Alexa is our project, but we as a DevOps engineer are now supporting Alexa team, okay? Alexa will have some team. Now we as a DevOps engineer will support the Alexa team. Now you are my teammate, okay? We will see like how we are actually supporting the Alexa team. Now if I am going to explain my project, I will explain like Alexa devices are there where the development team, a 13-member development team, and our 3-member DevOps team are there where we are supporting the end-to-end development. Now what is end-to-end development? Deployment means we are using the GitHub tool where we are actually helping the development teams to have their code-based repository, and we are maintaining their code repositories, giving the access to the development teams, and making sure whenever they create a new project. Let's take Alexa till now had 13 microservices. Now for the 14th microservice, they will come to you and me, okay? They will come to Julie and Praveen and they will ask like, okay, onboard this into a DevOps pipeline. Okay, now what we will do now, we will create a Jenkins pipeline for them. We will add their project having the sonar.property file, whichever we have discussed in the CICD session 1 and 2, right? And we will see like we will integrate with the Fortify Black Duck. We will scan their project and we will deploy them into Kubernetes. Before that, because she has mentioned Docker, we will Dockerize that particular project and we will push it to the JFrog repository. This story remains same, but how well you are explaining them, how well you are taking the fallback questions also important, okay? Now it's not like you are just doing all the things, but it's make sure you are telling with more confidence. Now I see Grafana, Sonar, Cube, yes, you have put all those things. So that is where. Now for the first project, you can keep the Alexa team DevOps support. Now for the second project, let's take you have worked as 3+ years into Amazon. Now for the second project, we will tell like you have worked on the monitoring of these tools, right? So in my resume, I was a DevOps engineer, I was a security engineer, I was a monitoring engineer, right? When I was trying to shift from Infosys to next organization, right? So I never hesitate to keep all my details, and I have again at that time also made 4 pages resume, and in the 4th project I put like Java, because 6 months I was purely working on Java, end-to-end Java, right? So don't never hesitate to tell your what we call strengths, right? So that HR selects. So for you, Julie, you can keep like Amazon development 1 project where you are supporting a complete end-to-end pipeline. Second project you can keep as a DevOps monitoring engineer where you have learned all these things, correct? Yeah, and you can tell like, okay, you can little bit of to your added advantage, you can keep 1 year as the ML data associate, and so total you will be like 3 years package, okay? 2 years into DevOps and 1 year into that. But make sure here your resume only plays an important role. So how beautiful you will explain them, okay, I have done this, I have done that, then only they will be taking it, right? Yeah. Anything else? Come down. Anything else we have? Come down. Work experience. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Come down. Roles and responsibilities. Okay, roles and responsibilities.
The master pipelines will be related to my core job, and other things it is the process which I've learned through DevOps.
Correct.
DevOps.
Correct. That's what we were discussing, right? So don't only keep all the things I see AWS, or else you can do one thing for the like 1.5 year what we have discussed as AL associate. You can keep all these things for the next 1.5 year. You can keep what you are learning now.
Okay.
Great. Okay. Come down. We will see till the end what you have kept. Okay, everything. Okay, great. So guys, to everyone, those who are watching live and are with me, see what she is doing now. It's a rough resume where she is jotting down the points what she knows, right? So with that, what happens is when she's framing the actual resume, she will take in all the points and keep in a beautiful sentence framing, right? So that's how we need to make sure. So Julie, this is a good work, by the way. Come down in the summary what you have meant, what you have put.
Yeah, summary will be similar like the above points. Like
that's okay. This is good. You have kept your percentage when you have passed out. That is really good. Okay, so this is what Julie's resume is, and I am guaranteeing.
That's it.
Yeah, thanks Julie. Thanks. You can stop sharing. Yeah. So that's all about Julie's resume. What I will tell now, guys, to everyone, right? Those who are with me, definitely you all will get better opportunities, right? Julie, stop your screen share. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, thanks. So definitely you all will be getting jobs. That is my guarantee. Why I am telling is I have the confidence. I will definitely help you all, right? So anyone wants to go next with the resume? I think Athian, yes, Sarvanan is there. Anyone wants to go next?
Hello, brother, can I hear me?
Yes. Who is this?
Yeah, it's me, Aditya.
Yes, great. Go ahead, Aditya. Yes.
Brother, I have a question because I have been working as a network engineer for past 10 years.
Oh.
And right now I am planning to move to DevOps. So because of that, I am learning AWS Cloud, CICD and everything. So is there anything I need to learn? Is it mandatory that I need to learn programming? Because I was completely into infrastructure for past 10 years.
Yes, got it.
So
yes, I understand. First thing is coding is not mandatory, right? Now, because you are 10 years experience. Now, how if I will tell always my scenario, guys. If I am in your position, I will divide my career as 7 + 3. 3 years into DevOps. Now, how you will distinguish is you have learned so many things you will keep in your resume. Now, the good thing is when they ask like, okay, what, because you will be going as a technical lead or a program manager or a project manager in the coming days, right? So now what people will actually, the higher level management who is taking your interview, they will actually think whether you are capable of doing the coding or not. Now, how you will start with the coding is, shell scripting is the best one, which I have already covered as a session. Now, if you are thorough with the shell scripting, I have already told to Julie also, Python. Next you need to go to Python, and whatever the scenarios which we have covered in the shell scripting session, we need to know about that also. Now because you are telling you know AWS and all, Kubernetes is a must, because most of the managers and most of the organizations are working in Kubernetes only. If you have not learned Kubernetes, I will definitely recommend you to go with Kubernetes. Coming to coding, the 3 steps are, first step is shell scripting, and I guarantee my session will be enough for shell scripting. Don't need to go anywhere. Anyways, you guys have the documents with you, practice with that. If you tell them those scenarios also, that should be good. Now second thing is Python scripting. The same scripts, you can convert them into the Python and you can work on that. And the third scripting is you need to know advanced Python, where some real-time scenarios you have actually done. Let's take I will give a real-time scenario. Now Kubernetes is there, pods are running, the pods are continuously getting down. Now our management has asked us to write some script which is actually making the pods to come up, right? So those kind of things we have to actually think in a broader way, like okay, what are the Python script we need to find out for that particular thing. And I think this should be enough. No additional Node or JavaScripting or Java needs to be there.
Okay, thanks, bro. Because currently I'm learning Terraform too, Terraform and Ansible too. Sometimes I'm.
Yes, both the things are.
Yes,
both the things are solid, and definitely I will recommend add both the things to your resume. Definitely it will help you.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, great. So anyone wants to go with the resume? So I think we have covered most of the things, but only few things I have in mind. Definitely keep your achievements, certifications. Okay, I will tell my scenario now to all the people in live and here. So when I was planning to do the job switch, I planned my job switch 6 months earlier only. You are understanding? In my mind I made, okay, what market needs now, what market needed at that time, like 1.5 years back. Okay. Okay, people. Yes, please do join, guys. Those who have dropped off. Shubhanshu is telling. So yes, Kirti is telling. Kirti is feeling good. Okay, I am in other bridge or what? Okay, let me leave this live resume. Okay. Okay, people are joining. Okay, I think I got dropped off. Okay, I was thinking you guys are not joining again. Okay, thanks for that. Okay, now we have again one more hour with us, but we will discuss a few things, right? So guys, any questions you have for me? Any questions?
Yeah, Praveen, I have one question.
Yes, who is this? Avinash.
Avinash.
Yes, Avinash, go ahead.
So Praveen, can you, so since I'm working as an SRE, so definitely there's a difference in what we work as a DevOps engineer and we as an SRE. So my complete profile is site reliability engineer for platform. So we have our own platform. So I basically, so there's a difference, we don't work more with into the automations. We basically we basically do more operations. We are more into operations side, like deal with the customer issues directly. We are into the production environment, this certification, and this kind of work we do.
Correct.
We don't do this. Yeah, you might be knowing more than me.
No, not like that. But yeah, because SRE roles have come, so that is why.
So, how is mine scope and how is the future for SRE?
No, SREs
how
are
is
always,
the growth?
No, SREs are always at par from DevOps, because if a production goes down, millions of loss, who will take? Only organizations will take, right? So SREs are definitely good, but what I would recommend is, apart from only what you are keeping in your resume, right? You have already told me. So on top of that, keep some automations also and learn some additional tools when you are trying to do a job switch, right? Only top organizations take SRE into consideration. I think like LinkedIn, Google, our Walmart, right? Amazon. But definitely, you guys have the better opportunities actually. and dealing with productions we don't know. I mean, I only have worked for a few months, but definitely add some automations. That should be good enough.
Okay.
Great. So
thank you,
yes,
Praveen.
no problem. All the best, guys. Definitely we will rock. Okay. Now Sarvanan is having questions. Sarvanan, go ahead. Yes.
Hi brother, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I think on our live sessions you can see my name. I just scrolled up with some comments, and then I'm calling from KSA, Saudi Arabia.
No. Got it. Go ahead with your question. Yes.
Yes. And then I asked you about the switchover, brother. Actually, at the age of 49, I can do the switchover from one domain to another domain. Like that I asked you told this around, and I don't know your background. So once I know your background, then only I can come.
Oh, okay. You are that guy. Okay. I got it.
Yes,
I remember.
That is the question.
I remember.
Actually, I'm working in a networking field only, like a telecom networking field. I'm working in the data centers.
Okay.
Like Amazon data centers, right? Like that, they have the Saudi data center. So before I just came to know the cloud. Actually, I get curious on cloud. What cloud is? Actually, I'm doing troubleshooting all those things physical layer.
Correct.
The link down, and when the server went down, I will replace the core CPUs, the entire server. Like that, I did these type of things. After that, I came to know that I'm doing the same work again and again. I just want to know that what is cloud. I just explored, and a few months back, just 2 to 3 months back, I just learned AWS cloud.
Yes.
After that only I came to know that I'm working with the load balancers, EC2 instances. These are the services I worked before I troubleshooted like this. I came to know. So now I am learning DevOps with your bootcamps, and I got inspired with you by Akshay.
Yes.
I saw you in the Akshay live.
Yes.
So and then two guys' concepts are very deep because I'm very new to IT.
Yes.
So is it okay now to switch over from here to there?
Okay. How many years of experience? How many years of experience you said?
Totally in this field, I have around 7 years of experience.
Okay. So guys, those who are watching me live or those who are with me now, don't worry about the experience. Anytime we can change, and I can definitely show you some of my screenshots where people with 14 years experience and 13 years experience have given me comments stating yes, I have helped them, right? So definitely no worries, Sarvanan. At any point of time we can definitely change into another domain. Even 7 years, I feel, I think it's very beautiful. Like 5 years it was good, but 7 years also we can definitely change, because you are telling you have already learned AWS, you are already know the physical layer of the data centers and the systems. Definitely you can come into our domain. So no worries, just follow the bootcamp, and at the end of the bootcamp we will do some projects, and with the projects you will be able to definitely cover all the things.
And I asked you that I just want to meet you like this. So next month I'm coming to India. So what is the chances to meet you in Bangalore?
Yes, I will be in Bangalore from August 7th. So I'll be traveling August 7th. Actually, the plan was, I'm telling you all, this is truth. This month only I need to supposed to go office, but because I have to take live, I have to have this setup at my home. I have to have my chair, the 100 Mbps net with connected this thing, 3 monitors and all those things. So I have not went to office. I just postponed because I wanted to make sure once the bootcamp last session is completed, for the project session I can somehow manage with my friend's house or something. So that's what's my plan actually. So definitely, if you are coming to India, then definitely you can ping on LinkedIn, Sarvanan, right? I will just note down, right?
Yes.
And we will definitely meet. Yes.
And then one more query is, somebody is telling about this backdoor things. I don't have that much hope on those things, but they're telling that just convert your this experience to IT. Like that, they are telling. Actually, I'm the person, like, if I don't know something means I will not get into that.
No.
But somebody is telling, no, somebody's are giving like this and they are serving in the IT field.
No, I would not talk in live.
Know.
I would not talk in live, and that question should not come in live.
Yes,
What
yes.
we can do when we are meeting, right? I will definitely put it in Instagram when I am coming to Bangalore, and once I settle there, one weekend we will meet. I think many of the people, even few of them have shared their number also to call them when I am coming to Bangalore. But one time we will meet in Marriott or somewhere or some other hotel, and we will have some chit chat, right? Definitely we will meet. Great.
I'm putting my job here. I'm coming to India only for this.
Sure. Definitely, we will plan something, and I wish all the best to you. Right. So guys, people who are watching,
Thank you.
yes, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. I'll just update the people who are watching in live. Guys, Faizi has joined. Yes, hello Faizi. So guys, those who are watching me live, just please hit the like at least, right? 57 is there. Still 43 we are left with. So please hit the like, and definitely our like target is 100 for this video. Because it's a weekend Sunday, right? So Sunday, just 100 is fine. And definitely I want to tell you one more thing. I have uploaded the yesterday's session to everyone. I hope you guys have received the documents also, those who have opted, right? And yes, from today anyways, the time is over, and this will be the last resume live session. I'm not going to take any more sessions. Those who are opting documents also, I'm not going to take any live sessions for them on the resume. That's it. 2 weekends I have spent Sunday also with you all, right? And definitely next session, no sessions are there. Once the WhatsApp groups are full, I will stop taking you guys. Only the documents will be shared if you are opting for the documents, right? So that was the announcement to you all. And guys, definitely, yes, 69 likes. Definitely like the video, and definitely tell after this stream is completed to all the people, those who are watching me on Teams and on the live. After the live is completed, just comment down how you felt the resume review. And I think I'm somewhere missing few more points for the resume, because I didn't got more resumes. Last time, I think 50 people have joined and more resume screenshots were there, and I was better able to explain them. Okay, this was the point, this was the point. This time only 3 resumes are with me. Anyone wants to share their resume, please go ahead. We will get
Praveen,
yes. Who is this?
Yeah, I'm Rachit. You said like you will give me some time for later, so I just want to make some questions or doubts I have.
Oh, okay. One
If
question you were
anyone is
having.
not sharing.
Okay, 1 second.
Yeah.
Anyone wants to go with your resume, please unmute yourself and tell, or else I will take the questions itself, because it's already a good, I think 1 hour or 40 minutes.
Hi Praveen, I have questions regarding the resume itself actually.
Yes, Janesh, go ahead.
Am I audible? Yeah. Hi. So I have 6 years of experience actually. 5 years of experience in Oracle stack. That is telecom domain, and 1+ years I have in DevOps actually. So coming to the resume, when I'm making a resume, how should the things be like? What I've worked in the 5 years, it should come at the end, or DevOps things what I'm applying for, it should come at the beginning. How it should look like? That is the thing.
Okay, the latest one, what you are working should come in first, because how HRs or anyone he will see is top to down, chronological order, right? So first things first, which you have worked in, then you can come like, okay, this to this year I have worked here in this projects, this tools, then you can put slowly the down things. Even I write like that. Got it?
Okay.
Yes, I hope you have got that. Yes. Any other questions, guys? Okay, before questions.
Yeah, Praveen, so.
Yeah. Okay, Rachit, go ahead. Sorry about that. Go ahead.
Yeah. So Praveen, I have also messaged you on LinkedIn asking some doubts related to, like, in one of your video was saying like, if you want to send the resume to HR, then BCC to all the HRs in one mail, through one mail. And
correct.
So you were saying like that. So that detail only I was asking from you in the LinkedIn. Like if you can share, then I can also directly share all my resume to HRs in one go.
No, yes, that's correct.
Can be possible,
but
then.
I didn't mention like I will give my HR's email ID, right? Definitely, I told in this way, your friends who have actually searched for a job, you can get to them and definitely take all the email IDs. I have done that, and my friends were good, because see, we are just sending them resume, we are not doing anything wrong, right? So I kept all the HRs in BCC, and I have sent my resume stating I am available for this opportunity, and I have sent some good one para, and I have sent my resume. So guys, those who are sending their resume, yes, one good point I remembered, convert your resume into PDF, right? Don't keep in doc format. In any portal, if you are applying, apply with the resume name as your name, the years of experience, and the DevOps engineer or SRE engineer, so that when the HR resume downloads, they will not get confused with multiple resumes, right? So you got it, right? 2 points I have just now remembered. And yes, I wanted to, so Rachit, you got your answer, right? Questions answer?
Yeah.
Yes, great.
Yes.
So definitely, not only that, if any of your close ones or any of you where you see in LinkedIn also, there are 2 types of jobs, right? One is easy apply, one is you go to their website and apply. So easy apply, most of the time HRs will be giving their email ID. Definitely apply that also. And guys, one good suggestion from my end, right? So when I was searching for a job, I used to wake up early in the morning, right? And the first thing I used to do is apply for the jobs in Naukri until it gets exhausted, right? Limit is exhausted, and I used to apply on LinkedIn until LinkedIn says, okay, you cannot apply for the day, right? Or else LinkedIn will start giving you irrelevant jobs. Until that, I used to apply. I will not see like, okay, how many years, at least, because I have kept that filters. And if you all don't know how to keep your job filters, how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, definitely check my resume video. In that video, I have kept how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. I have shown how to apply for a jobs on LinkedIn, what filters you need to put for a good organization, what filters you need to keep for not having that organization, right? So all those things I have put. And also take the LinkedIn skills assessment, guys. With the skills assessments, what happens is HRs will come to know more about you, right? Because LinkedIn will itself try to push your what we call your profile to the HRs, right? LinkedIn will push your resume. Got it, right? All of you. Few points at the last I wanted to tell you. As I remember, I will be telling you all, right? Anyone wants to share their resume? Please, I want to see one more resume so that I don't miss any points.
Yeah.
Yes?
Sir, I would like to present my resume.
Who is this?
Yashwant.
Yashwant, yes. Don't call me sir.
Yashwant.
I'm your friend only, right? I'm
Yeah.
Yes, great. Go ahead, Yashwant, yes. Yes. So those who are watching me live, guys, I'm not able to take all your queries in live, but yes, definitely, sir, how to excel in Linux. Okay, for Linux, guys, we will have one separate session. I think, hey, Tanjil has come back. Tanjil, I will reply to you, brother. I saw your message, but yeah, you know, right, today I have some things. So definitely I will connect with you, okay? Yes, yes. So, yes, Jashwant, yes, LinkedIn link you can add, okay? This is a generic format of resume, brother, okay? Yes, you can optimize it to the Rachit ones or the better ones, okay? So guys, two URLs are there. Resume worded in is one URL, and the other one I am not remembering now, but definitely check out my how to get jobs or some video I have made. Definitely search for that video. And if anyone wants to connect with me on Instagram, those who are watching live, it's Singham for DevOps, SIGAM 4 DEVOPS, right? So yes, definitely check out those things. And maybe if because you all are asking more about that, those two URLs, what it will tell now. First URL, it will help you to frame resume. Second URL will help you to tell the percentage in the resume. And if your percentage of your resume is less, it will tell you what point you need to change. Now, you know what point you need to change. It will tell you how to change that point also, right? So that's how, definitely check that, okay? Yes, now we will see resume. Administration experience in Git. Proven experience on create, branching strategy, tagging, yes, this is good. Tagging concepts, comprehensive knowledge in Maven, yes, okay. Proven experience on build tools like Maven, integrated SonarCube. Okay, these all things looks like my session things, okay. SonarCube, Amazon S3, Nexus, Ansible, Apache Tomcat. Come down. Okay, still. Okay. Docker, Kubernetes is not there, okay. Software configuration management, created modified Docker files, Docker images, running Java applications, created, modified and customized Docker files, running Java application. Okay, make sure your the formatting of the sentence is also in the proper way, right? Created, modified and customized Docker files and Docker images for the applications which are of Java or which are belonging to the Java platforms, right? Something like that. So complete that sentence. Worked with various concepts of Docker engine. This is good. Okay. What you have worked is more important rather than just putting the data, right? So let's take you have worked on Docker Hub, Docker Registry, Docker Engine. Immediately continuation to that line, you can add like have helped the teams to send the images to the Docker Registry, or with the conversion of the Docker file to Docker image and then to the Docker Registry. When you are telling about the Docker Engine, you can tell like you have worked on the Docker networking where you have enabled three model Docker networking, right? Some things kind of that where people will believe us, right? It's like generic. You are getting me, na? Set up, maintained multiple clusters. This is fine. Come down. Okay. Okay, working as a, these tools are fine. Everyone will keep these tools. Yes, Nexus, Jira, SonarQube, Linux, Shell script. Okay, yeah, that's fine. BTech. Okay, this is good. Come down. Bangalore, duration May 19 till date. Okay, project 2, Hilton Hotel Corporation. Come down, duration. Okay, guys, those who are keeping the projects, keep in this way only. Project, client, if you are working in a client location, or project itself, role, duration, and tools or environment, whatever it is. Okay, and guys, don't keep, like you see software configuration. What is that green color actually? I thought it was some heading. Ganesh, Jashwant?
That's software configuration management.
What is that? Your role?
One of my brothers. Yeah, my role, like.
Okay, your role.
I don't know, but my friends. Yeah.
Oh, okay, got it. Don't keep that. It's not, I'm not able to understand what is that actually. Okay, just remove that.
Okay.
That's not needed. Okay, if you are keeping a DevOps engineer, that is good, but software configuration management, it's more of like you are only working on few tools, right? That's what. Okay, great. Now come down, description, responsibilities, come down still. Okay. If you are keeping bold in one line, keep bold in all lines, and don't keep this many points. Only keep points which are very brightful to you. Let's take in this sentences what brightful things we are seeing. Created branches, tags. Okay, that is good. Responsible for tagging. Okay, why again responsible for tagging? Because you have already kept, you have worked on tags, right? So don't keep that responsible. Okay, build and deployment planes. Okay, responsible for taking source code and compiling using Maven. Okay, you know Java, var, and EAR also. That is good. Perform build activities using Maven. Okay, don't keep Maven. You have already told you are compiling the code with Maven, right? So to everyone, right? If you are keeping one tool in the project, don't keep again that. Enhance that point to a next level, right? So yes, your resume is good, but only thing is the change of the data here and there is important. Okay. And follow all the points, convert this document into the PDF, and keep the name like Jashwant DevOps or something, and your years of experience, or Jashwant years of experience, your DevOps name, right? And what else I'm missing? Yeah. Okay, one more thing, guys. If you are applying for your dream company, make sure you always go through referral, right? And in LinkedIn, referral is the best opportunity to grab the good organization. How to filter that, I will tell you now. Okay, those who are watching live, right now, go to the Google, you search like DevOps engineer at Amazon, or DevOps engineer at what is that, Google in LinkedIn. Okay, people names will come, you just click on the name, you send them the connection request, or those who are in your connection, send them a data. What data you need to send, I will tell you now. Okay, Jashwant, you can stop screen share. This resume is good, but only thing is convert to some good template and change all the points what we have discussed till now. Okay.
Okay.
Great. Now what I was telling is how you are going to send the one para to your person. Okay, let's take someone is coming to X person and they are actually asking job help, right? Now how that person X person will come to the Y person to job help is, you need to tell them few points. Let's take, you tell like, hi, this is this person, hi, this is Praveen here, and I am currently working as DevOps engineer at this company, and I'm open to opportunities. If any opportunities there in your team, please let me know. Now what you please find that skill set about me. You have to tell them you worked on AWS Kubernetes, you helped the teams with this, some figures which are actually genuine. And let's take fifth point. I have won 5 awards in this organization, 1 award in this organization. I have completed 2-3 certifications. If you have certifications, if you have awards, if you are good at projects tools, mention that, and at the end, resume. With one shot, don't tell hi, hello, bhaiya kaise ho, bhai kaise ho, pani piya kya, subah soya kya. I get these kind of messages. No, aisa nahi karna hai. Send them directly with one para, one shot, and you know what? I have got many opportunities in this way only, right? And in Amazon, I think I have got 10 referrals through LinkedIn only, and people are very good on LinkedIn, right? Trust me, guys. Those who are watching live also, people are very good in LinkedIn. If someone is not replying, it doesn't mean that they are completely ignoring. It means that their dashboard is full. their referral dashboard is full, or few people are there. Guys, my referral dashboard is full, right? So I cannot accept others' referrals. Actually, my plan was those who are in the WhatsApp groups, I wanted to give referral. In previous classes, I have given referrals. I mean, to my previous Shine in Career community, right? You know, I have one more student community and Shine in Career community. For them, I have given the genuine referrals, but no one got selected. But that's fine, right? I cannot give you referrals, but the plan was actually I was supposed to give you. I thought of giving you, but my dashboard is full, so I cannot give the referrals, right? So that's the reason. So definitely approach through referrals. First approach through referrals, and then start applying by yourself if no opportunity is coming, right? Now, what else you have questions? I see Vishwanath is having question. Jashwant, anyways, yes. Muni, any questions? I should definitely answer your question. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, Praveen. Nothing else, just to review the resume only, the thing.
Okay, you wanted to go ahead? Okay, go ahead. You would have given first only, right? Why at the last you are coming? I think we had done already your resume review, right, in LinkedIn? No?
Yeah, we have already done the resume. That after that, I came to my hometown. My health is not that much.
Okay.
So that's why I'm lag behind of the sessions and boot camps.
Okay, got it. So that is the. I thought you have got placed. And how is your friends doing? Like Meghala was there, right? Your friend.
Yeah. Meghala is doing very good. Actually, she got a very good offer. She already shifted the new company.
Okay. She didn't told me. That's fine. she was part of.
Yeah, she asked today also. Oh, you are joining the Praveen bootcamp today for the resume reviewing.
Great. You remember? You asked her. She was one of the resume review. She was one in December to March or February batch. When I was taking bootcamp on LinkedIn, she was their part, and in the similar way I have done her resume review also, and she came through one of her friend. I think your mutual friend was in.
Yeah, we are 3 mutual friends actually.
Correct. What is his name actually?
Meghala and me.
Okay. And Sagar came through another friend. I remember. I am not. Guys, trust me, they all got good opportunities. And first chain, when I started this bootcamp, one person was continuously with me. He got a Deloitte. He got a very good package, like thrice the package. Then he introduced to, I think, Sagar. Sagar was with me for 2-3 months. Then Sagar introduced me to Meghala. So Meghala attended all the sessions. She got placed now. Jashwant was telling now only. Muni was telling now. And I think Muni will also get soon. Yes, Muni? Okay, go ahead and share your resume. Great.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So guys, this will be the last resume we will review for today. And in 5 to 10 minutes, we'll close the session. It's already 4:15. Yes.
Yeah, hope my screen
is visible. Okay, guys, this resume is awesome. And in the first site only, you can see how beautifully the things are aligned in the left-hand side. This. Muni, if you can keep your photo at the extreme right corner, that will be good. Okay, like why I am telling your contact, technical skills, hobbies are very perfectly aligned. In the same way, name, work history, like that, and Muni photo at the right hand corner. Okay, so guys, now you understood what is the power of different types of resume reviews. That is why I told if anyone can come live. Okay, great. So come down, seeking for a job challenging position, 3 years. This is good. Work history, come down. DevOps engineer, July 19. Present, created point to site VPN connection using VPC in AWS. Created a website with custom domain along with the load balancing hosted in Route 53. Created these are something good. And created Ansible playbooks for automated health check, service status. Okay, configure pods and containers in Kubernetes. Yes. Muni, if possible, why we are wasting this space? Okay, no, we will not do the waste of space. Okay, come up once. So guys, to everyone, never waste the space in resume. Muni, go up once. We'll just see. Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, those who are watching live, we are left with 19 more likes. Please like the video. Okay, 100 is our target. Okay, and after the video, the stream is completed. You guys can definitely comment at least 10 comments. Yesterday was 20, but only I think 5-6 people have commented on yesterday's. What was that? monitoring session, right? Yes. So
Monitoring
definitely
session, yeah.
comment on this live if you are feeling good, right? After the stream is completed. Okay. Now, Muni, what we have done now, work history is here. You have put DevOps engineer here, and again you have put your what we call your place of location, and from there you have started. No, don't do that. Work history, below the work history start DevOps engineer, and then you put all the points. Okay, Muni?
Okay.
Great.
Yeah, Praveen.
Now, why I am telling that is, this one line, you can expand that. Like, let's take created point to site VPN connection using VPC in AWS. Right now, after creating what you have done, let's take there was some issue, and help the team to resolve the critical issues which were occurring in this particular time, or something where the HR will connect more, right? And mostly give in terms of numbers, where you have handled 10 applications, 15 applications, 100 applications. With that, the confidence of the HR will get increased. Okay, created a website with custom domain name and along with load balancing. Okay, this is good. Created Ansible playbook. Okay, what you can do now, as we have told, bolding the tools will give us more enhancement. Now, because you have used the same color everywhere, I need to read line by line. Okay, Muni? Either you can change the color of all the sentences and keep like Route 53, load balancer, custom domain as highlighted one. Got it?
Sure.
Okay, come down. Monitoring status of applications using CloudWatch. Okay, your skill set is damn good. Okay, only thing is, you can keep more points here rather than a one-line point. Like, let's take create a containerized application and manage in Docker. You can enhance this automation shell scripting for loop. Okay, with Jira REST API. Okay, great. So guys, this is what the power of session means. Okay, so Muni has added, I think everyone knows, right? He has added all the automation things from our shell scripting. Okay, Muni, what we can do here, you can bring all the data to this side and add some more things like automation shell scripting. No, you need to frame sentence in beautiful way, like I will tell. Okay, created the shell scripting automation using for loop concept for the Jira REST API automation, where you have helped the teams to create the Jira automatically. Got it? One line.
Got it.
Now, if I read that sentence, people will come to know, okay, this guy has potential of doing something. No, not just you are keeping one line where I'm not able to understand automation shell scripting for loop with Jira REST API. Okay, I can understand like you have worked on Jira REST API with shell scripting, but what was the output, right? Output was you were able to help the teams with automated Jira creation, right? And you can also keep like what were the commands you used, right? And how you called the REST API, something like that, which will give more data. Okay, come down. Skills and hobbies are good. Technical skills are good, but Muni, you don't have any certifications or awards?
Yeah, I have down.
Oh, okay. See, why HR will look at skills and hobbies first? No, skills and hobbies is always last. Achievements, awards, technical skills are always first. In these three also, technical skills first, certifications next, and awards third. Okay, now keep all the things to the up and bring skills and hobbies down. Okay, come down, Muni. Okay, education. Okay, this is good. CGPA you have put. Okay, great. You have put what you have done in education scenarios also. Awards and achievements, bring to the top. Great. Come down. This is good. Okay, great. Certification and awards to the top, right? And only thing is, space management is not that much good with this resume template, because we are wasting all the space, which is very much crucial for us. Okay, Muni, either change this resume template to something else, or else you can use this by bringing all the things to this end. Okay, your resume is good, and you will definitely get a job like your friends, I guarantee. Just focus on your good things, apply to as many as organization, take the best offer and jump. Okay, and those who are watching me live and those who are here, put the AWS certification ID and the year of passing also, right? If you don't want to keep, that's completely fine, but yeah, if you are keeping, it's a more genuine work, right? Great. Muni, you can stop the screen share. Okay, great. Thanks, Muni, and great to hear. I have many student testimonials like this. in the coming week, I will be releasing a few more students' testimonials, which are bang on. Like no one has got under my community. I think that will be the best testimonial from my student. So I'll be definitely releasing that. And he has messaged me on LinkedIn. He was so good. He was from the last LinkedIn batch only, right? Definitely, we will also generate the success results. Till now, my highest package of my students tripled was 21 LPF with 3 years of experience, right? I'm telling you all, those who are watching me live. And this guy has crossed that. I mean, crossed in the sense you can't imagine also, okay? We'll talk about that. I will be releasing in a video in this week only, right? If everything goes well, I will release in this week, right? And I have asked him to come as a podcast, but I'm not sure because he told like, definitely, like he told he needs some time because once he needs to settle in the organization, right? And all, definitely we will bring him. And guys, I am starting a podcast series also. I have already started the recordings with very good people from Google, SRE, who are in outside countries also, right? Very point to point. I mean, extra talk will be there in the podcast, right? So I hope you guys will support me, right? And we are close to 7K guys. Okay, I think 50 people are left. I don't know now. 6.92. I think 70 people are there. I don't know. But actually, my target was to complete today only 7K subscribers. But that's fine. I have tried my best. I have sent all my links to all my friends. Even before the meet, also I was doing that. I requested them like, please share the channel link with 10 of your friends. It's like 7K we are crossing today, right? I told them like that. What happens now? Very few people will support us, right? No one will subscribe, but people will see the channel, right? But with subscribers, actually our motivation will be there. Like more people come in, more quality content we can bring in, right? So you guys know, like people are telling me, how come in 2 months? Our channel is 2 months baby guys now, okay? 2 months and some days only. Once third month I enter, I will call as 3 months channel, right? It's 2 months channel and we are at 7K. It's all because the love you have shown, the support you have shown on LinkedIn, on Instagram and on Twitter. Few of you have tagged me. What I would still tell is tag me everywhere where you feel like. Even Muni has done that, right? Muni has shared my few of the posts with his community friends. Definitely what it will do now, it will just tell others that yes, this guy is doing good, right? And anyways, those who have not connected with me on Instagram, you can check. There is a testimonials page where I have kept only 1 month testimonials. I have not kept the LinkedIn testimonials there. 1 month testimonials, you can see how people are getting jobs, how people are loving the bootcamp from Argentina, from Europe and everywhere, right? So that's how we will grow, right? Still I will tell, the day is still with us, right? To complete, definitely share the channel link with 10 of your friends. I want to have 7K, right? Even I am spending all the weekends with you, right? I hope you guys support me. At least those who are on Teams, 22 are there. If you have done, that's good, but still we will push a little hard, right? 22 with 3 friends, okay? 3 friends enough. 60 people is enough. I think we are at 6.92. I think 6,923 or something. If you share with 3 people also, 22 into 3 is 66, right? So I hope that should be good. Okay. Any questions before we end the session? I have talked so much. I don't want to bore you guys. I don't want to keep you on live also. I will take 1 to 2 last questions and we'll wind up the session. We'll meet the next session where I will be bringing Linux system administration certificate level questions. Definitely join that. You can keep directly in the resume, like how people are keeping. Okay. Any more questions? No questions?
Hello, brother.
Yes.
One question.
Yes. Go ahead.
I just want to know this something that. Are you ready to support Pakistan? Because the guys who are all here with me, they're all Pakistanis and they're ready to learn cloud things.
No.
If you're ready to support them,
no. I was doing for when I was not having the YouTube channel, I was helping my community with this kind of things. But yeah, now I'm not doing. I'm totally occupied with YouTube only. So even I'm not getting time to actually go out, frankly speaking, right? And actually the thing is, in my hometown, all my friends have moved to different cities, right? So that is why I thought, okay, this bootcamp, anyways, 2 months is there. I mean, at that time, I was not sure, like in July office, they will call me, but in July, actually, they have called. So I have postponed it to next month. We will see, okay? But no support as of now. Only YouTube. All my content is live. You can definitely, yeah. Thanks, Sarvan. Okay, one more question, guys. Anyone wants to go? We will see. Okay, Tanjil is our moderator. Tanjil, definitely, brother, I will have a beautiful gift for you. Definitely, that is for sure. As we grow, right, we will have some good goodies or good things for our community people, also those who are helping us, right? Yes. Yes.
Praveen, before we end, Avinash this side.
Yes, Avinash, yes.
So I don't have any question, just thanking you because you are literally doing a great job.
Great.
I'm dying to meet you in Bangalore. To be honestly, I'm telling you in front of all the, in front of all the YouTube and live. Literally, you are a good guy. I can tell you honestly, what you are doing is a great.
Great. Yes.
And that you are doing in free.
Yes,
you should start charging.
And see, guys, I have only charged for documents. And ask Muni. You guys come to know I have never given my documents to anyone. Even in previous sessions, I have not given documents because. You know what, I am teaching at EdTech organization also, right? I take weekend live sessions to them. Sometimes I take, sometimes I don't take because I am taking YouTube live here. So I manage my time there. So you know what, if I keep my documents there, right, where I am teaching, I will get money. I will get good money, more money. I don't need to come to YouTube also, right? Only thing is the last 5 months I was doing this for, I just wanted to make sure my community knows me that I am doing this. Only that reason, and with that reason, many of my students have got to various organizations. And why this time I have kept document a 99, that too very feasible charge. I never planned to have a 99 charge, but the thing is I wanted to filter out from the people. See, 3,500 registrations I have got, 2,000 people are on Telegram, but only for live 200 people are joining, and yesterday only 130 or 120 people have joined, right? So it feels somewhere bad. Yes. That we are helping so much. We are sitting at my home. I would have recorded and I would have just done that, right? But I'm coming live because to answer few of your queries, questions, because I personally like live sessions than recorded, right? When I was learning, even I paid money to many. I did Red Hat Linux certification for 35,000, Linux admin certification, Linux Ansible certification for 45,000, Kubernetes only training for 15,000. And I have kept all these things in my resume, right? So what I tell is to people is, we need to spend some amount when we are actually thinking of bigger opportunities, right? I never thought, okay, this amount will fetch me this organization. But what I thought is, I need to learn that points to keep in my resume, right? So definitely, guys, spend some money on your certification also. Definitely, they will boost your confidence, right? So yes, thanks Avinash. Definitely, I will update one day in Instagram. Right, definitely I will update a live meet. We will meet up. I will plan some a good place in Bangalore, and I will update in the Instagram, and we'll definitely meet. Those who are interested, we will meet definitely. I will also love to meet you all, right? And thank you, Avinash. Yes.
Thank you.
Great. So
don't miss me.
Sure. No, definitely. And many of our friends, our community people have sent me phone numbers actually. And I am seriously shocked.
I was about to send. I was writing on LinkedIn.
No, because after starting YouTube channel, I am getting so many requests on LinkedIn. I am not able to respond. I think Muni will know Meghala. Those people who are 5 months or 3 months with me earlier. Those people will know me, that how I used to DM them. I used to tell them, even yesterday Kirti have told me in the Telegram group, I personally DM'd her. I told her, don't worry, you take rest. What we will do is we will have one-to-one resume session for you. Don't join live. But I don't know why she joined live, but that's good. She was
seriously, no one did. No one does all this thing what you are doing. Seriously, coming live, and helping the people one-to-one. Seriously, I was missing all these things. No one is doing for free, to be honest, because I have been in an organization for 3 years as an SRE. I see what are the requirements in the market, and no one is doing. Everyone is charging, man.
Yes.
They will take like 20,000, 30,000 courses are there. You have to complete that. But damn awesome. Yes. Guys, believe me, he's doing a great job.
Thanks, Avinash. Yes.
And we should appreciate. We should appreciate if you are doing an hard work. then we should appreciate, because there is nothing free in this world. No service is free, and that if he is doing, then it's damn awesome. I'm really happy, and I'm part of this. Yeah.
Great. Thanks, Avinash, for your support. Those kind of words actually motivates me. And from tomorrow, I will be creating the document for the next session. Right? It takes 5 to 6 hours for me. Every day I sit 1.5 hours. I go to gym early in the morning. I come back from gym. I sit 1 hour on LinkedIn for posting some content. Then I start my work. In the evening, 1 hour I spend for the document, right? So 1.5 hours I spend for the document making, right? So at least as Avinash was telling, few things, we will meet in Bangalore definitely. I will update in the Instagram, I will update in YouTube also. I'll do those things. Those who are happy to meet me, they can definitely come. And why we are meeting means we will take some suggestions for the next bootcamp, like what will be our plans, right? What will be our future roadmap for our channel, how we will grow, right? So those things we will talk, and we will have some good time, right? Anyways, for the next 2 weeks in the August, I'll be staying in there only, and I'm looking out for some locations also where I'll be planning to settle down, right? We'll see, we'll plan. Okay, great. So with that said, I will again thank you all for joining this Sunday session. It was really good, really cool meeting you all, right? Yes, Redamma has joined, but she's on mute. Many of you I know, those who have already talked with me on LinkedIn.
Yeah, right? Hi Praveen.
See, why you are on mute till now? Great. So yes, hi, and thanks for joining. With that said, guys, yes. With that said, we are ending this live now. And again, all the best to you all. Guys, if anyone is getting job from our sessions, just DM me, right? And I will hide your name. I usually ask people and I hide their name. If people are not comfortable with their name, right, I hide them. I ask actually, that is my courtesy. It's not like they told me I need to explore, I need to exploit them everywhere, right? I ask them, I take the permission from them, and then put any post related to them, right? So that person has asked me, okay, to go ahead with the thing. Actually, when he told me that he got this much package, I was literally surprised to know, right? People don't get that much package, and seriously, damn awesome. And I asked him, brother, can I put your screenshot in my YouTube? He said, I mean, in YouTube I didn't ask, in LinkedIn I asked, because at that time my plan was to post in LinkedIn. But he said, go ahead. But I asked him again, like, can I mask your name? He told, and can I mask your name and package? Because what happens now, people will generally think twice before telling their package. But what he told, Praveen, let people know that this package in DevOps we are getting. Okay. So this was the message he has pinged me. So I really felt good. And I will definitely release by this Thursday if everything goes well. Definitely check out that video. I will mask that person's name, but all the details from which college he is, how much package he has got, what he has done, which batch he belongs to, what are the sessions he has attended, all the things will be there. So definitely check out that. With that said, thank you all for joining. Those who are watching me live, definitely join the Saturday session. No more resume live sessions, guys, right? Already 2 weekends I have sat at home. Next Sunday, I will chill out with my friends. I mean, no friends are here, but yeah, at least I will go for a ride on bike, right? At least for some cafe or something. I will have my time there, right? So definitely, guys, work hard, right? And trust me, connect with me on Instagram, Singham for DevOps, SIGM 4 DVOPS, okay? With that said, I'm signing off. Yes, 5 more likes to be there for our 100 like, okay? 5 more likes. And guys, those who are in the teams, what you can do is, after this stream is ended, how you felt the session, at least 5 to 10 comments, that should be motivating me, because in live stream chat, people will not see, only people will see the comments which are after the live stream, okay? So yes, thank you all for joining. Yes, and that was really great time spending with you all. I will again say all the best to you all, and let's connect sometime later, right? Yes, thank you all, bye.